Team number 3, 4 Horsemen. I am Ravan Abdindi, and I study Bachelor of Science of Information Technologies.
My name is Emil Benazade, Bachelor of Computer Science.
I'm Sadeh Batra, also Computer Science.
And I'm Adek Chu. I'm a student at the Bachelor of Computer Engineering.
Today we will be presenting you homework for Principles of Information Systems.
As it was mentioned, motors are connected to the ports B, C. Our gyro sensor is connected to the second port. Color sensor is to the third, and ultrasonic to the fourth one. Here mentioned all steps that a robot should do. So it will move from the start to the center. So we will detect the center with the red color. Then it will stop and turn for 45 angle to the right and go here till the black line. When it is on the black line, it should turn around 180 degrees and again move forward. And we'll have counter, which when it reaches to the 3, it will just stop. Yes, and also if there is any obstacle, it should be removed so the robot can continue moving.
So I'll be explaining some of the blocks that we will be using in our project, just to make sure you get full comprehension of the content. And the first to start with is define block. This define block lets us to define our own function, and that's basically then we can create inside whatever we want. Yeah, so another one is like setting movement of the motor. So since we have like 2 motors, this block lets us to specify each block, let's say, to the recommended ports. So reset angle is just very obvious, so it just resets the angle, it just makes the angle 0, and this 2 indicates the gyro sensor that has been attached to the second port. So another block is repeat until loop. So all of the things inside this block will repeat itself while the conditions of the boolean is true. So another block is like this color. So this returns true if the color sensor is like 3, port 3, and if it turns true if the specified color is detected by the color sensor.
So this block basically does what? The first number, it just controls speed of the left motors. For example, we have the motor B as the left one, and the second one controls the speed of the right motor, which is C. And if they are different, for example, we have one as 50 and one as negative 50, it will just rotate on its position.
The difficult one is to stop moving. This block just stops all the movement, and that's all. Next block is greater than. It becomes true if the first value is greater than the second one. Well, this block starts moving with the steering. Like in this block, we use 0 for the straight movement. Yes.
Okay, so here we have the repeat block. It basically means that the robot will repeat this action any number of times that you input. And then this designated port, if the is distance block basically means that if the distance is less than 15 or any assigned measure, then the action will be true.